everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1987 Chevrolet Silverado short box pickup. Killer truck, man. Love the color combination. It's got that factory two-tone bronze with the white down the sides. It's got the stock brown, or I guess called brown interior. Factory four-wheel drive truck. Just a killer truck, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid Montana body. Truck is showing 47,000 miles on it. It's supposed to be the original miles. I did run a Carfax on it. Truck spent his whole life out in Montana, Billings, Montana, I believe it was. And I can see what the guy's saying. If anybody's ran Carfax, you know this. Like up until like the 90s or somewhere 2000s or 2000 something, it was showing the 41,000, and then like 2 years later, they checked it at 142,000. Could be a coincidence. Maybe somebody in a year or 2 years put 100,000 miles on it. I doubt that. I'd say an oil change place or whoever serviced it just checked at 1, which is kind of what people started doing when they were doing those service, because they didn't guarantee miles on these things anyways. But killer truck. They did repaint the outside. The jams, engine compartment's got the original paint. Hits the road great. Like I say, good solid body. The trim is all original. There's a couple little dings and stuff as you walk around it and kind of pick at. Right there's probably the worst part of it. Front bumper's got some tarnish to it, but I wouldn't change it. I'd leave this thing alone. It's got a little stone peck there. Gary, have them park on the side. I love this two-tone paint scheme. It's got all the original glass in it. Factory soft ray glass. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. You can pop that hood, Gary. See up there, sunshine's right in my face, man. It's pretty tough to see. A couple little things. I noticed they drilled a couple little holes in the bed. I'm not real sure what that was for. Duraliner bed liner. It's got the sliding rear glass. Dual tanks, they both work. I put fuel in both of them, make sure that they're working. Like I say, just a super nice truck. Nice and straight down the sides. I mean, this truck is slick. This tail panel's in real good shape. I saw a little bit of fading. First year for the fuel injection. Good looking truck, and man, you want to talk about something that drives sweet. Brand new BF Goodrich All Terrain, TAs all the way around it. It's got the stock wheels. Rear bumper, you can see a little tarnish too. Same thing. Again, little fade on your tail panel, but this stuff really nice. You guys probably noticed I'm rushing a little bit. We got snow and ice coming. Beautiful spring day, and here we go again. 3 to 5 inches of snow coming, so welcome to Michigan. Good looking set of wheels. Again, dual tanks, they both work. Front disc brakes. Truck's nice and clean underneath. I'm trying to not get I'm gonna try to get 4 videos done today. Again, original 5.7 liter fuel injected engine, that's stock. Stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, AC, air blows cold, power steering, power disc brakes, factory jack, all that stuff is still there. Automatic overdrive transmission. Again, four-wheel drive works real good. If you look along that back bay there, you can see that's all the original paint still on it. Again, the original engine sticker's still here. Clean, fun old truck, man. Again, new rubber all the way around it. Clean as a pin, I'll tell you that. Again, all factory glass. Paint's really slick. You can pick at these a little bit and see they show a little road rash. Again, factory soft rate glass. Pick that a little bit. Same thing here. I think the door handles are original. Original door tag. Door skins are nice and clean. Again, this is the original paint in here. Power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise. Again, original paint in your door jambs. I think they've redone this seat. I mean, it's just too nice. Tilt wheel, 47,016 is what it's showing. All the gauges work, air works. I didn't turn the radio on. A little whop there to the dash. Again, there's your switch for your tanks. They work. The glove box has got the original owner's manuals and the little tag that's supposed to be there. Stock exhaust, stock rear. Again, it's got the Duraliner bed. Clean truck underneath. Same thing, original paint here in your jams. Oh man, this is all original. I mean, maybe that seat is original. I mean, this stuff's all super nice. Hey, I could be wrong. Little fade there. Oh, it's got a brake box on it. Carpet's real nice. I ordered the new floor mats for it. Again, I do have the Carfax for it. No accident history. Scratch it in there. Again, gauges are all functional. Hit that switch. Yep, and it'll change tanks. See how I dropped it down? Now hit it back again. Both tanks do work. Doors open and close real nice. Fit and finish on the truck's great. Brake lights. See, Gary just used power windows. They work nice. Reverse. There it goes. That's good, Gary. Give it a little rev. Good truck, man. I didn't turn the radio on. Flip your radio on, see if it's got power. Push it. Push it. There you go. Radio works, guys. Nope, just give it one push again. Yep, well, it does work. It powered up there. Good. Power windows work. Doors open and shut nice. Wipers. Wipers. You see the head. They're on the they're on the turn signal switch. There you go. Turn signals. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with it. You see the little license plate lights work. There you go. Get that thing out in the sun. Look at that truck. Pretty paint scheme on it. I love that color. It's kind of a root beer. Pretty color.